Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how do you respond to the drug use accusations made by no less than your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, against you and the First Family? Sir, were you hurt by her accusations, and how do you explain these claims to the public?
It's anathema to me to talk about family matters generally in public. Um, I do not like to. We do not like to show our dirty linen in public. I'll just say this much. For a while now, we've been very worried about my sister. When I say we, I'm talking about friends and family. And the reason that is because the lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister. And that view is shared by our cousins, our friends. Hindi siya yan. Hindi siya yan. So that's why we worry. So we are very worried about her. I hope she feels better soon.
Sir, quick follow-up lang po. Nagkausap na po ba kayo, sir? Or do you intend to talk to your sister?
We don't really, we no longer travel in the same circles, political or otherwise. So no.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
President.
sir.
Thank
For
you.
the last question, Kat Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Good afternoon, Mr. President. Sir, we understand that you earlier mentioned that you do not want to dignify statements from former
Of?
You do not want to dignify statements from former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico, but he came out with a recent video claiming that you received over 50 billion, if I'm correct, in kickbacks.
Yeah.
We know that you don't want to respond to this anymore, but the public begs for your answer. How do you actually convince the public that in this battle of he said versus you said, how do you convince the public that you are the more credible side of this story, and how do you respond to his allegations directly?
Well, look at the quality of the statements. Alam mo, mahaba nang naging mga usapan natin tungkol sa fake news. Anyone can go online and make all kinds of claims and say all kinds of things. Paulit-ulit. But it means nothing. For it to mean something, umuwi siya rito. Harapin niya yung mga kaso niya. Kung meron siyang gusto sabihin, sabihin niya. Malalaman naman ng tao yan eh. Patunayan. But come home. Come home. Ba't ka nagtatago sa malayo? Ako, hindi ako nagtatago eh. Kung meron kang akusasyon sa akin, nandito ako. Gawin niyo pareho. At para patas lang naman.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. President. That ends our
All right.
press conference
Thank you.
this afternoon. Thank you very much.